Maria Private Resort. Okay, let's go inside, let's go inside. Happy 95th birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
A long and happy life pa. We're very envious at nabot nilang ganong edad. So much wisdom, so much experience. At yung mga na-share na ibahagi niya sa kanyang mga mahal sa buhay, I'm sure treasure yun na hindi nila basta-basta may tatapon. Happy birthday po kay Tita.